They Say shade and put it on both eyes. This is a good blending layer to have. Next, I'm going to go ahead and use the I Believe in You. Okay, now I'm going to use the color Because in the corner of my eye. And it may look a little bit bright right now, but I'm going to add a little bit of shimmer on top so that it looks a little bit more natural. Now I'm going to go ahead and use the That Is True color right here all over on top. There we go. And now for some light eyeliner, I'm going to use this Sephora Crayon eye pencil to go. Now that my eyeliner is done, I think it would be good to curl my lashes and use some mascara. I'll be using the veevonderland Beautiful Days Volumizing and Lengthening Mascara. I said this was going to be a lazy girl look, but there's so many steps and I just want to look good, so I guess it doesn't really matter. I totally stabbed this eye